Hi guys, you're watching Mr. Fun. In this video, we'll make the Tesla Cybertruck, and for that, first of all, let's unbox the electronics required for the actual project. Mainly, we require three things: the tires, the motor, and the motor driver. So that is exactly what I'm unboxing right now. And now you can have a clear look at all of them. Also, I forgot to mention, Node MCU is required to actually act as the brains of the whole system, and once that is done, we'll make the body and also the base of it. So first, this is the base, and I've also made the body. I just found some templates of the Cybertruck on the internet, and I just cut them out of cardboard, and so this is how it looks. Now let's add the motor, and I am adding all four-wheel drive, and this would be a fully electric car, of course. All the separate four wheels would also have individual suspension. So yeah, I'm just making that. First I harden the base, and now I'll use this PCB board in order to act like a suspension or a spring that would push the tires down when they are actually pushed up by any obstacle, or right now you can see the practical demo of it. And with that in place, we'll do the wiring. It's really simple. I'm using a L298N motor driver, the 9-volt battery, and a Node MCU, which I'm using with a Blink app, and I've coded the Node MCU for the same, and I'll show you the shocker in just a minute. And this is how it should look. This is the app, and once you press forward, this really rolls to life. And now I'll just finish up the body, and what time is it? It's time to really test out this car. If you've made it this far and you're not subscribed, then do consider subscribing. So guys, this is the Cybertruck, and this, let me tell you, is not finished, guys. As you can see, the mud guards are not in place, but the shockers are perfect. So I would do a video in future wherein I complete this model, but for now the electronics part is ready, and I just quickly made the exoskeleton for this video itself. So really hope you enjoy, and let's continue. So I removed the top cover to show you the electronics, and now let me show you how this really works.